My name is Dylan, and today I will be talking about some beginner music theory and drumming topics. These include rhythm theory and drum beats and rudiments. To start, we're going to learn about music theory. Specifically, what we'll focus on is reading. An important part of reading music is understanding how each note value is written and how to count it. So I'm going to show a few of the most common note values on the screen and walk you through how to count it. So the first one is the whole note. Also, all of these will be in a bar of 4/4 time. So the first one is the whole note. That is counted on every one, the first beat of each measure. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is the half note. That one, there is 2 beats on each measure. Each beat takes up two beats. So like 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each beat is half of the measure. Next is the quarter note. The quarter note is 4 beats in each measure. It hits on each of the beats. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is the eighth note. That one is 2 beats per each quarter note. So that means there's 8 eighth notes in each measure. And you're going to count this by, for the second note, you're going to say and. So it'll be like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next is the eighth note triplet. That one is similar to the eighth note, but there is 3 beats per each quarter note. And how you count this is like 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. So those are played like this: 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Then next is the 16th note. This one is 4 beats per each quarter note. So there's 16 notes in each measure of 4/4. And you're gonna count this like 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. So here, like 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Next is the 16th note triplet. That one has 6 beats per each quarter note. This one gets a little bit fast, and it's kind of hard to count because you have to say like 1 into 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 into 1 into 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 like this. 1 into 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 into 1 into 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 into. Now when it comes to actually reading music, you're not going to only pay attention to the notes that are written out, but also the time signature that is shown at the beginning of each measure. So we've been playing in 4/4, which is the most common time signature because it's 4 quarter notes per each measure. So it's counted like we've been counting it: 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to play each note value we just went over and count it out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4 and a 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4 and a. So this is important to understand so you can read music easily and hear what the roots are of every kind of rhythm you'll hear in music. Next up, we'll be going over rests, what they look like, and how they're counted. And rests indicate when there should be silence, like when you should not play. So each rest is the same note value as the note values we just went over. So like a whole note rest is counted the same as a whole note, and a half note rest is counted the same as a half note, but you just don't play. So we'll show those up on the screen. So the whole note rest, again, when you see that, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, and you don't play. Then the half note rest, it's the same. You just count 1, 1, 2. It's half a measure of no playing. And then the quarter note rest, it's a quarter of a measure, same as a 1/4 note of no playing. And here's the eighth note rest. It's like an eighth note of no playing. 16, and here finally is a 16th note rest. So now I'll place some measures, including rests, to show you how that would sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, and 3, 4. And 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. All right. So next is another topic that is important to understanding rhythm music theory, and these are dotted notes. When a note is dotted, it means that you take the value of that note and add half its value to it. So you could take a quarter note, and if it's dotted, it adds, it's a quarter note plus an eighth note. It adds half the value. this applies to all notes that we went over. So like a whole note, a dotted whole note would be a whole note plus a half note, which is 6 beats. Here, so a dotted a dotted half note would be 3 beats because it's a half note, which is 2 beats, and then you add a quarter note, which is 1 beat. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And then the same thing for eighth note, where you'd add a 16th note, and then yeah, and so on and so on. Okay, now I will play you an example and count it out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, section of this video, and now we will be getting into beginner drum beats and rudiments. So, our first drum groove is the simplest one, and here it is notated on the screen. And now I will demonstrate it for you. So you just need the hi-hat, kick, and snare. So, to play this one, you want to hit your hi-hat right here 4 times. Then, you're going to want to add in your kick, which will hit on the first beat of the hi-hat, like this. Next, you want to add in your snare, which will be on the 3rd beat of the hi-hat, like this. 2, 1, 2, 1. Then you want to put the 2 together with the kick drum on the 1st beat and the hi-hat on the 3rd beat, like this. Okay. Then this is a good foundation for lots of drum grooves because lots of them are based off of this. So because the next step would be for you to add in kicks and snares later on as you go and get better. In addition to this, another important aspect of the drumming is our rudiments. These are different groupings of single and double strokes. So single strokes are these, like right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and double strokes are these, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. So I'm going to show you 2 of my favorites. The first one is the paradiddle. It is played like right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. So you really want to get that sticking down with the rights and lefts because it's just 2 singles, right, left, and then a double, right, right. And then the same with your left hand, 2 singles, then a double, left, left. So you want to practice that slowly and then build up speed as you go, and then it'll sound great. And then the next one are double strokes themselves, which are incredibly important. Those, like I said, are right, right, left, left, left. So once you get that sticking tight, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, just practice it slowly, and then keep speeding it up, and you'll be super fast in no time. So that's all I have for today, and to sum it up, remember how to count each note value, and remember about the dotted notes and the importance of those, and how they add value to the original note. This is extremely important knowledge to have, and it's just the foundation of everything you will do in music. So thanks for watching.